Hello, I'm the Ketoing Viking because weight loss is a battle. So I'm here to demonstrate what I do every day in order to keep myself physically strong and healthy. And today we are going to start with breakfast. So first we need 6 eggs. I shook a chicken for this. Next, we are going to add 1 bell pepper. That's how I handle my enemies. You could roast the bell pepper beforehand. Next, we are going to use 1 tomato. Careful not to chop your own fingers off. You need those to slay your enemies. We're going to mix this up very well. Next, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of cream. And I need my coffee because it's a oofta morning. Mix that in. And a little bit of cream cheese. Softened. That in, and then I'm just going to set that right on the tomato. And then I'm going to grate a little bit of cheddar cheese. Now you could use Havarti, you could use whatever cheese you want. Provolone, Swiss, oh, the Swiss. Yeah, the Swiss. I prefer cheddar for my breakfast, but you can use whatever you want. I find it's cheaper to get the blocks and grate it yourself. But you could do whatever you want. You can buy the pre-sliced, the pre-shredded, whatever you need. And we're going to give that a stir. Get everything stirred in. Make sure it looks good. Now as far as seasonings go, you can use whatever seasonings you want. I prefer Icelandic, volcanic salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Now, Icelandic salt from the volcanoes. It tastes like you slayed a dragon and sipped its tears. But you can use whatever salt you want. Himalayan salt. Sea salt. So I'm going to put this in a cast iron skillet. I'm going to let that cook a little bit. add our volcanic salt. We're gonna add our blackened pepper. And we are going to let that sit. Now some say it's cooked right there. I like mine a little bit more done. And for the final touch, I'm gonna add just a little bit more cheddar on the top. It's up to you how much cheese you want. If you want to omit the cheese, go for it. This is your dish. Get a little bit of tomato in there. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. It's hot, but it's good. So I will eat my breakfast. I will have my morning. Skål!